Kente Building Materials was established in 2017 and is located in Shanxi Province. Our company covers an area of 38,196 square meters. We are specialized in manufacturing of suspended ceiling system. Our company has rich experience in the ceiling tiles industry. Our main products include mineral wool ceiling tiles, PVC gypsum ceiling tiles, and suspended ceiling grids components, which are widely used in various fields, such as real estate, civil architecture, home decoration, commercial office, hospital and industrial factories. As a materials supplier for construction and building companies, our products has our own certification of fireproof and moisture-proof features. We also have a professional international business team and cooperation team. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001 to control our service and product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from China local and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.